In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your publisher name on KDP, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. Whether you're a new author or someone interested in self-publishing, understanding how to correctly add your publisher or imprint name is an essential part of your publishing journey. It's a straightforward process, but adding your publisher name accurately can impact the professional presentation of your book. Let's start with the first step, opening your book setup page. Once you're logged into your KDP account, you'll want to navigate to the Bookshelf tab. This is your starting point for any book-related tasks. If you've already begun setting up your book, you'll see it listed here. Click on the title of your book to open its setup page. If you're setting up a new book, just click on the Create button and follow the prompts until you're on the book setup page. It's in this section where all the details about your book, including the publisher name, can be adjusted. Now, with your book setup page open, we're moving on to the next step, which involves scrolling to find the designated area for the publisher name. The setup page can look a bit busy, so take your time. Look for a section dedicated to publication details. This section typically includes information about your book's language, ISBN, and below that you should find the field labeled Publisher Name. It's important to note that the publisher name you enter here is what will appear next to your book title on Amazon, so ensuring accuracy is key. Once you've located the publisher name field, it's time to move on to step 3. In this field, you need to enter your business or imprint name. This is the name that will be associated with your book, and it can be as creative as your brand. Whether it's your actual business name or a distinct imprint name that represents your brand's identity, carefully type it into the field. If you're unsure what to use, remember that consistency across all your published works can be beneficial for brand recognition. The final step is to save your changes. This is a crucial part of the process, as any unsaved changes will be lost if you navigate away from the page. Look for the option to save, which is usually at the bottom of the page. Once you click Save, your publisher name is securely updated, and you're one step closer to getting your book into readers' hands. And there you have it. You've successfully added your publisher name to your book on KDP. This process doesn't just contribute to the professional aesthetic of your book, but also reinforces your author brand. Now you're all set to continue with the rest of your publishing journey. Thank you for tuning in, and happy publishing.